Hello again, this is Dr. Wadle with Walter Chiropractic and Wellness. In today's forward world, we're driving, we're texting, we're teching. It encourages loss of the cervical curve. Necks tend to look like this nowadays. I'm going to show you what we use in our office to help encourage that curve. The Denneroll is another tool to help restore curve in the neck. Here's proper use of the Denneroll. Placement of it is right at the base of the neck. Go across the shoulders and find the prominence. The small step goes towards your feet, the larger step goes towards the head. The placement is of the prominence, or the spot between the shoulders, will land right on the peak of the Denneroll. Go ahead and lay on back. This should be used on a hard surface. Progression is 1 to 2 minutes your first day, and then progress 30 seconds each day. Work up to 12 to 15 minutes daily. This is like putting braces on the teeth. There might be some discomfort, but we don't expect any pain. If you have dizziness, blurred vision, horrible headaches, that is time to stop and consult us and let us readjust it for you. When getting off the Denneroll, roll over to your side slightly, let it kick off, lay back down, and give yourself a few seconds for that neck to acclimate again. But we find the Denneroll is a fantastic tool that does help increase. We see great results with it.